Namaskaram foodies, welcome back to Simply Cooked by Prem. Today I'm going to show you how to create the rich, creamy and delicious butter chicken. With its perfect balance of spices and velvety texture, it's no surprise this dish is a global favorite. So let's dive into the magic of this iconic recipe. The quantity of makhani gravy I'm making today will suffice 4 to 5 portion sizes. First, we build the base, a rich makhani gravy. This is the heart of our butter chicken. Into the pot, I am adding 3 cups of fresh tomato puree or blanch 6 to 8 tomatoes. Remove the seeds and skin and blend them smoothly. 1 whole onion, 2 large black cardamom, 5 green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves, 1 cup of soaked cashew, and half cup of soaked peanuts, soaked for 1 hour. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 whole green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 cups of water, 3 whole Kashmiri chili soaked for 30 minutes, and also add half a cinnamon and 5 cloves. I have missed to record the shot. Now mix it well, close the lid and let this cook until all the raw flavor completely disappear. Once cooked, we grind everything into a fine velvety paste. To get that restaurant style smoothness, sieve the mixture and discard the leftovers. Be careful while handling the hot gravy, it bubbles and can splatter. Now let's take this to the next level with some rich aromatic ingredients. Into the pan, I am adding 100 ml of melted butter and paste of 4 green chili and 8 cloves of garlic. Two large black cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick and 5 green cardamoms. Let this cook until the raw smell disappears. Add 250 grams of fresh cream and 250 ml of milk. Now we add the cooked tomato gravy we prepared earlier and let it simmer for 15 minutes on medium-low heat, allowing all the flavors to marry together perfectly. Add salt to taste. And just like that, we have our luxurious makhani base. This can be used for butter chicken, paneer recipes or even rich vegetable gravies. The final step is here. Let's transform this into the ultimate butter chicken. Into a fresh pan, I am adding 30 grams of butter, our perfectly cooked tandoori chicken. Refer to my video on the best tandoori marinade and cooking methods. $50 grams of fresh cream, makhani gravy 1 cup, salt to taste, a pinch of kasuri methi. Let this cook until oil separates from the gravy. This is when you know it's perfectly done. And there you have it foodies, a creamy and flavorful butter chicken to enjoy. The aroma is just incredible. Serve this with naan, roti or jeera rice and you have a plate of pure bliss. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you love authentic flavors made simple, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below and what recipe you would love to see next. Until then, happy cooking.